Okay, start.
Hello, my name is Chandra Prakash. I'm basically from Ghaziabad, Uttar Pradesh, but I did my schooling from different states as my father in Indian Air Force. After that, I did my graduation from SVNIT Surat in electrical engineering. And then I did almost 3 years of work in Emerson Energy Private Limited, which is a manufacturing firm. I was over there as an assistant manager in UPS testing department. After that, in 2018, I quit my job and start preparing for the civil services. And then in 2021, I just appear for the state examination.
Okay. So, so, can you tell me about more about your work experience?
Yes. Like initially, we have a different orientation in different departments where we get to learn about the what are the function in different departments. After that, I got the operation department in testing team where we used to get a proper UPS in from the assembly line. Then we check the physical test and then upload over there the different softwares and the different parameter, rectifier side, inverter side, and overall the functioning of the UPS unit.
Okay. So you have worked in just one company,
Yes, sir.
which is what was the name of the company?
Emerson Energy Private Limited.
And the
Now
location
it's
was
Vertiv. Location was Ambarnath plant in Mumbai, Maharashtra,
okay.
and our head office in Thane.
Okay. So why do you want to move for OD program after your engineering course and as well as you have experience in your core field only? So you could have a very good career path in your own field.
Yes, sir, there would be. But initially, what I realized that after like 2, 3 years, that the growth is very limited because the core sectors are very limited in India. And I don't want to restrict to technical field for a long term. It is very difficult to me to see myself in only restrict myself to a technical field. And there is a, as a market is growing and there's a different opportunities are there. So I would like to grab one. So I love to enhance my potential and increase the capability. So I think ODCL will give me a next platform to enhance myself as a professionally and personally.
No, still my question is still unanswered. So why did you pick OD? We could have picked other courses or other management-based courses, or you could have applied for public policy or similar. N number of courses are there which you can apply and which you make a
Yeah.
foray.
So I think two few reasons are there. Like first, I have relevant experience in organization where I have seen certain difficulties, like to adopt certain changes. So I think ODCL is a unique program which is very in few colleges it is available. So it will give me an extra edge to understand an organization from micro to macro level and to see the which factor play a critical role or as a catalyst to change and how we can enhance their efficiency organization as a whole. So I think that's why that attracts me or to be learn this kind of course to understand an organization as a whole and what are the different domains and how they function and what change can enhance their performance.
So again, my question would be, so why didn't you apply for or try for HR programs?
Actually, sir, I did apply for HR also, but unfortunately, I didn't clear the time.
So that was an unfortunate event that you
Yes,
could
sir.
not clear HR. So if I'll ask to compare HR with OD, how do you compare?
Sir, I think HR is come in particular organization after a particular time. Like after an organization in from an initial stage, like if there are few people, like 5 to 10, if it evolves and it grow, it have a very good growth trajectory or pipeline. Then after certain stage, they need HR to manage their organization or the employees and their functioning. And in case of organization development ODCL course, it is start from the first day where the owner need to think, design what he want to do, what to product, what is his product or service he gonna provide, and how he see his organization down the line, like after 5 or 10 years. So there are multiple intervention after a particular time, like initial phase, then after certain maturity, then at very good level, like if he is very good stage somewhere. This is the one. And second, I think the HR is very restricted to human interface, especially the employee side. And whereas ODCL has to relate with different domains also, like finance, operations, marketing, and HR, to see where they are performing, how we can
So I
improve
think
them.
that you are suggesting that OD is critical than HR for an
Yeah, I
organization.
think it's a broader way. Like HR is a subset kind of
HR is
ODCL.
the subset. So why did you apply HR on your first preference and you are even feeling unfortunate by not clearing the cutoff
Sir,
of
to be
HR?
honest, sir, there are few reasons. First of all, the HR course in TIS especially is very dynamic. Even they have like very good background. Like course structure is a bit different from the other institutions. Because I prepare for the civil service, my optional was over there sociology. So I got into touch with the sociology perspective. So I think that HR that give me that drive to understand and get to know the organization in a better way. And ODCL also in a TIS actually. So that's why I prefer both of them
Okay,
and
but
put.
that's okay. But feeling unfortunate for the uh, not getting any call. Uh, so I think you miss a lot about HR. So
Okay,
don't you
sir.
find our course structure is dynamic enough?
I think it is, but actually I don't have much awareness
No,
initially.
I want to know what do you understand by a course structure which is dynamic? What do you mean by being dynamic?
Dynamic in the sense it is not particularly restricted to particular field. Like, oh, if you say marketing, it is not restricted to marketing. It is not restricted to HR only. It is not restricted to finance only. And it is not restricted to operation. You have to see multiple dimension, multiple department at the same time and try to align them with the organization goal or the vision, with the individual level, at a group level, or as an organization level as a whole. So it's a very big task, I think, because there are multiple domains where you can work like at a project basis.
Matlab, this is interdisciplinary, that's okay. But what is the factor of dynamicity here?
Dynamicity is because after globalization, we have seen that every organization there is a very changes are there initially or later on. So nowadays the changes are very frequent, and to sustain themselves in a business model, they need some certain kind of changes or interventions. So I think ODCL will be provide them as a course itself says that organization
No,
development change in.
the question was, you found that the HR course of tests is very dynamic. So I just wanted to know what are the factors which made you convinced and which made you think that HR course structure is dynamic. And what do we mean by dynamicity of a course?
Okay. Sir, once I have seen the course structure of this TISC HR and compare with the other organizations, the other colleges, I've seen there is a difference criterion course structures, which are not there in other colleges, like IIMS you have seen. So they are first, they give the you general degree, like in particular
But there are
MBB.
IIMs which are also providing MBA in HR.
Yeah, because I think with my family background, actually my cousin, he is in HR and he's done his MBA from IIM Indore. So he told me there he has the colleagues which are came out from the TIS. So they have very different perspective because of their different courses. Because in here in TIS, it is HR from the first day, like from
That's
2 years.
the opinion from someone. But you said that you have compared the course structure of different colleges. So what other colleges did you see, or did you check the course structure of?
I check from like IIM's course actually I've seen. The first year they have like
But
general
they
course.
don't provide HR as a specialization. They have a generic structure. You can get electives, more and more electives from the
Yeah.
HR. So have you seen any MBA HR program or MA HR from program from any other university? So do you know
So there,
how which university provides a core HR specialization as a separate degree?
so there are few actually. I'm
Just tell
trying to
me few
recall it.
names.
Yeah.
Okay. So again, matlab is still
Ghaziabad, there is one.
okay. Leave it.
Okay.
So still, my question is still remains. So what are the factors on which you say that this particular course structure is dynamic?
So dynamic in the sense I was saying like different domains I told you like different like
That's a
disciplines.
that's a factor of interdisciplinary.
Yeah.
That is
So,
interdisciplinary, not dynamic.
okay.
Okay. Okay. So
Because
now tell me, you must have also gone through the course structure of OD. So do you find the OD course structure as an interdisciplinary course?
yes, sir, it is interdisciplinary because it relate with
But
different.
not as much as HR program is.
I think, yeah, HR program is restrict himself like employees perspective, and the ODCL is more like process oriented, where we have different processes with different domains. If you go in HR, finance, marketing, and any operations. So I think they are more concentrating on the processes, see how we can enhance a particular process or efficiency in terms of by bringing intervention in terms of leadership or change as a catalyst, because like technology is a change, you can intervene like that way. And different other services, like you have good coordination among within an organization, the work culture over there, how open the employees are, how their
So
productivity is
even
very.
HR program tends to do this only. So what is a very the clear distinction point that you see between HR and OD?
I think HR, if the main difference that I can say is the HR is work on day-to-day basis, mostly, not everywhere, and the ODCL is work more like a project basis. The main difference that I can recall right now. A
Okay.
day-to-day life is HR, and the project oriented basically for the ODCLs.
Okay. So what do you see as your future ahead?
As a future ahead, there are few options that I think right now. Like initially, if that these 2 years, how I going to learn and how I gonna utilize this opportunity. I see myself in a particular organization where I can contribute in an effective manner after being a very professional to learn the different functions within organization, how their organization structure is, and what they want from me to do there. And second, if something in particular discipline, like within organization development, change and leadership, any part of like organization development as a function or a leadership as a different program, I may go for the PhD program to enhance myself and write some papers on it if I got very good interest like within next 2 years.
Okay. So can you tell me that after this COVID pandemic, when lot many companies are laying off their employees, and then again, if economy will boom again or economy will get the pace again, then they will have to hire lot many employees again. So in all this situation, how OD is going to help?
I think in this way, OD, I think it gonna prepare a strategic planning to set a target group, like a particular organization need what kind of skill set of particular manpower. So it can help in mapping. Like I have done also the data science course where I have little bit done about the data analytics. So data analytics gonna like a boom for the understanding of any organization, that what is their requirement, what there is domain, and what they want exactly from the masses or the particular people. So from that point of view, I think organization development can plan a very good pipeline to with the strategic output and the critical analysis of the like goal or the vision of a particular organization.
Okay. So if I'll ask you one general knowledge kind of question, or you can just relate with his code OD only. So in what type of industry there is a need of OD related practices, in most urgent or most obvious that we see, it is most important for that industry to use OD as an
Like in
OD
terms of
practices.
scale, MSME or just in general, any particular field or
Any
textile?
industry, I am asking about industry.
I think agriculture sector need a ODCLA most right now because
So,
of that misbalance between the backward and front linkages are there in an organization, like especially agriculture. I think to overcome this gap to like backward linkages and forward linkages, OD play a crucial role to enhance their supply chain as a whole, because we have enough potential, and agriculture provide almost 50% of the employment directly or indirectly. So I think the one thing that we need to focus, I think it's agriculture.
So you just said that agriculture provides 60% of employment.
50
50. Okay. So
directly or indirectly.
directly and indirectly. So can you tell me which is the next sector which provide most employment apart from agriculture?
IT sector, service sector that provide,
And next,
and the lex, I think manufacturing sector, I think.
okay. Sure, Chand. That's okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
इसमें to give you marks, I will give you. इस बार तो कम मिलेगा तुम्हें because of a number of reasons.
Okay, sir.
क्योंकि एक तो तुम ओडी और एचआर की क्लैरिटी नहीं है.
Okay,
दूसरी
sir.
तुम्हें you don't have to say or there is no point of saying that unfortunately you missed the call of HR. मतलब
Okay.
आप बोल रहे हो कि I missed something which was better and then in entire definition you are saying that OD is far better than HR while explaining.
Sir, I think I said unfortunately because I think I have like different
वो
options
चलो
also.
ठीक है
Like,
मतलब that
okay,
was
sir.
the interview where what I felt I'm telling you.
Okay,
So
sir.
so you have to clearly define the HR, even the way that you told the thing that you told that OD is the bigger domain, HR is the part of it,
Sub part.
sub part, but ऐसा नहीं है मतलब even HR is a bigger domain, OD is
Okay.
the part of it. ठीक है.
Okay.
And the one point that you said that was right that HR जो है वो employee perspective पे ज़्यादा ध्यान देता है, but OD is more about organizational perspective. But again, HR also include the organizational perspective. तो पहले HR से ही लोग OD में जाते थे, OD से HR में नहीं आते.
Okay.
है ना. तो वो HR when HR gets maturity to head the organization, then it can be called OD. And of course, OD is like creating more and more interventions and finding more and more problems and solving them. है ना. Bringing
Project oriented kind.
हाँ bringing change in control manner. तो प्रोजेक्ट बोलने की बजाय डिफाइन कर दो कि कभी हम चेंज चाहते हैं या किसी टेक्नोलॉजी एडप्टेशन चाहते हैं, तो वैसे सब सिचुएशन में ओडी का रोल आता है. और समटाइम्स वी सी दैट आवर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन कल्चर नीड्स सम चेंज, या फिर ऐसा देखते हैं हम कि we are doing some acquisition or merger and then we have to merge two human resources. So at those
Okay.
points OD plays a big role, है ना. और sometimes when you see जैसे अभी जैसे एम्प्लॉय ले ऑफ का हम उसमें भी तुमको हिंट दिए कि बताने के लिए पैंडेमिक में
हाँ,
वो HR
एक्विजिशन और
perspective से.
मर्जर का बेसिकली.
हाँ तो तुमको नहीं मतलब वो उस समय जब पैंडेमिक के बाद तुम्हें बताना चाहिए था कि when a company lay off the employee तो बहुत कम लोगों के पास ज्यादा रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी हो जाती है, तो उस समय रीस्ट्रक्चर करना पड़ता है बिकॉज कंपनी का फंक्शन तो वही है, बस लोग कम हो गए बिकॉज ऑफ द प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी. फिर जब दोबारा हायर करेंगे तो फिर बहुत ज्यादा नंबर में हायर करेंगे तो उनको नए लोगों को पुराने लोगों से जेल कराना पड़ेगा, है ना. तो दिस आर द थिंग्स वेयर ओडी विल हेल्प, है ना. ऑफ कोर्स हम वी एक्सपेक्ट एचआर पीपल टू डू इट, बट दीज आर द टास्क ऑफ ओडी रिलेटेड और ओडी रिलेटेड जो डोमेन में हम काउंट करेंगे. ठीक है. तो ओवरऑल मार्क्स तो तुम्हें हम अभी कम देंगे, दैट विल बी 57, है ना. प्रेजेंटेशन इज ओके बट दैट कैन बी इम्प्रूव्ड अ बिट. कंटेंट में मैंने कंजर्वेटिव हो रखा हूँ क्योंकि कुछ और क्वेश्चन पूछने पे ज्यादा बेटर हम उस पर दे पाते, बट आई हैव गिवन यू 12 मार्क्स बट इट कैन बी 15 अगर होगा. कैरियर ओरिएंटेशन में आई हैव गिवन 12 बट इट विल बी 10 ओनली. एनालिसिस में भी तुम्हारा थोड़ा कम है. तो ट्राई टू थिंक व्हाट टीचर इज आस्किंग. मतलब तुम ना क्या कर रहे हो कि
पेरिफेरल पे ज्यादा हूं, कोर पे नहीं यार.
तुम थोड़ा मेरी बातों को सुनोगे ना एंड ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड कि व्हाई टीचर इज आस्किंग दिस क्वेश्चन. थोड़ा सा फील होगा ना. जैसे तुम टेल मी एनी क्वेश्चन दैट आई हैव आस्क्ड, मैं तुम्हें बताता हूँ क्या तुम सोच सकते
हाँ
हो.
सर, जो मेरे को बहुत करना है ओडीसीएल, वाई ओडीसीएल इज डायनामिक, आपने 4-5 बार मैं थिंक वो
हाँ
पूछ लिया थी, मैं
वो तो
उसका
तुम्हारी गलती
बोल ही.
थी. तुम हाँ तुम एचआर को तुम डायनामिक अगर बताना भी होगा तो तुम ये बोल सकते हो कि द कोर्स ट्राइज टू अडेप्ट with the industry needs. Dynamicity of the course is like when the whatever every year how much they are changing, है ना. Are they changing with the need of the क्या बोलते हैं organizations or not. ठीक है. तो वो डायनामिसिटी होती है. बट एचआर का तुम्हें जो की फैक्टर बताना चाहिए कभी अगर तुम किसी को बताते हो एक होता है कि सोशल साइड्स ऑफ एचआर को एस एच आर एम ज्यादा पोर्ट्रे करता है. दिस ऑल्सो इंक्लूड्स लेबर स्टडीज विच जनरली अदर एच आर एम प्रोग्राम लेव्स और इग्नोर्स, है ना. तो ये दोनों चीज जो है मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट है. ठीक है. ओडीसीएल में तुम्हें जो ओडीसीएल का कोर्स ही अलग है. ओडीसीएल को तुम साथ में ही बोल रहे हो. तुम अगर इसका डिस्टिंग्विश कर देते, the ODCL is a program which basically includes entire organizational development perspective, change and leadership. ODCL बोलने से सब एक थोड़ा ना हो जाएगा. We keep all these things together because more or less हम इसको साथ में ही पढ़ते हैं, but that doesn't mean they are together. So when I'm talking about OD interventions, तो वो अलग चीज है, change अलग चीज है, leadership अलग चीज है, and we are learning all this together because तीनों का एक साथ जरूरत पड़ सकता है. और कोई क्वेश्चन बोलो जो मैंने पूछा है.
हाँ सर, अब वो पूछे थे कि तुमने जैसे मैंने बस बोला था कि आई हैव सीन और स्टडी दैट डिफरेंट एचआर प्रोफाइल्स, तो हाउ दिस इज डिफरेंट एचआर देन
एचआर
अदर्स.
कोर्सेज को बोलने की जरूरत क्या, मुझे ये नहीं समझ में आता. जब तुमने रिसर्च किया ही नहीं है, तुमने आईएम रांची का एचआर प्रोग्राम का देखा है सिलेबस,
सर
एमडीआई के
जनरल
एचआर
आइम्स का एक्चुअली जनरल साइम को पता है क्योंकि मैं कजन से बताया था, मैंने देख पूछा था,
हाँ
उन्होंने
तो
बोला था वो
वो ठीक,
जनरल.
बट तुमने देखा नहीं ना, तुमने झूठ बोला.
ओके सर.
समझ रहे हो ना, झूठ बोलने की
हाँ
जरूरत
हाँ.
क्या है. या तो तुम जाके देखो, अभी आईएम रांची का देखो, एमडीआई का देखो. एमडीआई का एचआर प्रोग्राम अच्छा है, फ्लैक्स जो उनका एचआर प्रोग्राम है. तो इस तरह से 2-3 प्रोग्राम को देखो कि क्या पढ़ाते हैं, क्या करते हैं. और कोई क्वेश्चन बताओ, मैं
और
बताता
सर हाँ, आपने ये पूछा था जैसे कि व्हाई यू वांट टू लाइक ओडीसीएल ही क्यों, लाइक आफ्टर दैट टेक्निकल
हूँ. हाँ तो
तुम्हारा
इसमें
एक्सपीरियंस.
तुमको बहुत अच्छा जवाब दे सकते थे. दैट वाज वेरी पुअर दैट व्हाटएवर यू हैव रिस्पॉन्ड. तुमको ये बोलना चाहिए था कि सर मेरा एक्सपीरियंस है, देन आई हैव वेंट फॉर यूपीएससी प्रिपरेशंस. ठीक है. सो नाउ एट दिस स्टेज आई एम नॉट लुकिंग फॉर अ 2 year एमबीए प्रोग्राम एंड देन गोइंग फॉर अ लीडरशिप कोर्स. लीडरशिप डेवलपमेंट एमबीए करके हम स्टार्ट नहीं करना चाहते. दिस प्रोग्राम बेसिकली शिफ्ट्स मी, मतलब अहेड ऑफ माय एजुकेशन. मतलब जैसे ऐसे नहीं बोलना है, मतलब बताते हैं तुमको, हम हिंदी में समझाते हैं, उसको तुम एक्सप्लोर करना. कि जैसे देखो, तुम 2 साल का वर्क एक्स करके तुरंत किए होते हैं एमबीए, है ना. मान लो एचआर फील्ड में ही जाना है तो तुम 2 साल का एचआर करते, फिर 2-3 साल वर्क एक्स लेते, फिर ओडी के कुछ और भी चीजें सीखते. ऑफ कोर्स ओडी इज बिगर देन एचआर. ओडी के इंटरवेंशन, ओडी के काम ज्यादा मेच्योर होते हैं. इंडिया में अभी हम इसको अप्रिशिएट करें या ना करें, but the profile, the technicality, the complexity of OD is much bigger than other MBA program. ठीक है. Since अब क्या होता है कि दूसरे लोगों को ये दिक्कत हो सकती है जो जस्ट 2 साल का 1 साल का एक्सपीरियंस है. Since you have 2 year of experience, as you have also studied for UPSC, तो तुम्हारा इतना बैकग्राउंड है that now you can learn and understand OD in a good way or qualitative way. ठीक है. And of course OD gives you an edge, है ना, because यहाँ पे क्या है कि हम मेनली लीडरशिप रोल के लिए सीधा पढ़ रहे हैं, है ना. तो इसको थोड़ा और अच्छे से हम ड्राफ्ट कर सकते हैं. एक बार और हम लोग बात कर लेंगे, ठीक है, इस पे. तो हर जगह पे ना, जहां जहां क्वेश्चन ऐसा करना, आई गिव यू द रिकॉर्डिंग. ठीक है. हाँ, इसको